Hello everybody, it is me, Sarah Vega, and I'm going to be teaching you how to look good without any makeup. This video is for kids who might have strict parents or might not want to wear a lot of makeup. Either way, this video will be perfect for you and I'll get you to look like this afterwards. Keep watching. So our first step will be dental hygiene, because how can you expect to look good if your breath stinks? I make sure to use toothpaste and brush my teeth every day, and also use a alcohol-free mouthwash. So yeah guys, I know this sounds totally crazy, but the next thing you're going to want to do is take a wet toothbrush, wet it a bit, and then you actually want to go in and brush your lips gently with the toothbrush. This motion of brushing helps exfoliate your lips, make them smoother and softer, and it helps to have the true color of pink or red come out in your lips. So just exfoliate them lightly as so. Our next step will be skincare. I make sure to use a nice moisturizing cleanser that cleans my skin very well, and then I use a nice moisturizer to make sure I get all the dead skin cells off and my face looks nice and hydrated. This is a really good moisturizer for like sensitive skin, or if you have acne prone skin or just any skin type. It's really nice and smooth and it applies really well. So next, I like to use sunscreen. Not only does this protect your skin from the harmful rays, but it also gives your skin a really nice glow, and it looks like you put on highlighter even though you didn't. And it just gives you this really nice glow to your skin. And that's why I really do like this sunscreen a lot. Alright, so then the next thing we're going to do for my black ladies out there is that we are going to gel down our edges. So I have the Edge Booster Styling Gel, and I also have this little edge comb, but you can also use a toothbrush if you don't have one. So we're just gonna open it up. We're gonna like scoop a bit out, about this amount, and I am no expert by the way. And then we're just gonna start over here. Just gonna take this here. It's really weird without a mirror. And then we're just gonna brush it down using our fingers. So like smoothing it down and work it through as so. So I'll give you a little bit of a close-up so you can see better, but that's basically the process. So I really like this edge gel because I have that like thick 4C African hair, but it still managed to stay on all day and it looks really good. So I really recommend this for anyone who has edges that stuff like Eco Gel doesn't work for. Alright guys, so already without doing that much, with the edges laid down, it just looks so much better honestly, and you look way more put together. So then our next step is going to be gelling down our eyebrows. It keeps them from getting messed up throughout the day and looking like this, like they looked before. So again, we're just going to take the same thing here honestly. If you have a spoolie, that's great, but I'm just showing you like the different things you can use so you don't think that you have to go out and buy anything. So I'm just gonna put some gel on, then brush it up as so. But yeah, I really appreciate you watching so far, and if you're liking this, make sure to subscribe so you can get more videos like this from me. And then look how much better this one looks compared to that one. So then the next step is that we are just going to apply some lip gloss. This helps make your lips look fuller and more moisturized and shiny. So I am using the Mystic Flower lip gloss right here, and it is really good. I know this technically counts as makeup, but if you want, you could use like Vaseline or Aquaphor. Those are both pretty good options that a lot of people have. So the statement is true, you do have to dress to impress. So now we're going to put on some really nice clothes, and I promise that it'll change the look of your face a lot. You can try to look into your color seasons to see which clothing matches you the best, but I'm just going to put on one of my nicer clothes and show you how much of a difference that can make. So already, just by changing the shirt with the nice neckline, I look a lot nicer now, a lot more put together. So then the next step is going to be to wear some jewelry. So you can either use silver or gold or pearls, just find what matches your skin tone the best. So everybody, the last part of this transformation is going to be your hair. Hair can really make such a big difference. You can wear it down or style it any way, but it's probably going to look better than the way it is right now tied back. So everyone, this is the completed transformation of how to look good without makeup. Not a single makeup product was used, and I went from looking like this to now this. So make sure you subscribe and leave a like if I helped you out, and I will see you guys in the next video.